back and here to get you ready for all the festivals. They're already happening, but we have so much more coming up, even in the summer too.
Yep.
So joining us now is the Style Medic, T. Espinoza, with some things we need, don't necessarily think about, but you want to make sure you say that we're all festivalized.
Yes.
I love that term, by the way. And Mimi Cute lives here as well. So let's start. What do we need?
Okay, so you don't want to be there and then be hungry and it's hot. You want to pass out. So pack a little snack, a little granola bar, a protein bar, something that will keep you from falling out in the heat.
And spending more money that you don't have.
Spending more money because you already bought the ticket.
Right, the tickets are out the wazoo, okay?
Hand sanitizer, just something small that you can toss in your bag because there may or may not be, you know, stations to wash your hands. Mask, it could get dusty, even if you're not concerned about communicable disease. It could be dusty, and you want to still be cute. So,
well, where did you find
mask.
these decorative masks like this?
These are just Amazon.
Wow.
Or, you know, Etsy, someone who makes them. This is the coolest thing. This is my favorite. This is a collapsible water bottle. Something that you can tuck in your purse.
Oh my gosh.
Fill it with water.
Oh my word.
And then when you're done, just squeeze it back together and put it back in your bag.
Is that an Amazon find
this
too?
Is an Amazon
That's a good one because you have water and then you're like, I have to carry it around the rest of the day.
What do I do with this?
Oh my gosh.
You collapse it and put it back in your bag.
You still have room for all the other stuff.
Absolutely.
And it's a good size because you're going to
It
use the
is.
bathroom.
So then we have sun protection, and let's not forget sun protection for your lips. SPF lip balm.
We need that.
Okay, I've never used SPF lip balm.
What?
I confess. I didn't even know that was a thing.
Well, it is a thing, and now you got to toss one in your bag.
Okay.
Now, this is a little much, but a first aid kit, because you never know what's going to happen. So you've got bandages, you've got alcohol pads, you've got gauze in there. I am ever prepared, so always a first aid kit. More sun protection for your eyes, but cute. But make it cute.
Make it cute.
Sun protection, but make it cute.
Yeah, you want to be stylish for the gram,
Absolutely.
for the TikToks, all the things.
Because you're going to be taking pictures all day. You might as well be cute.
Absolutely.
But also protected. A juice box, or what I like to call a juice box.
I do take that everywhere I go.
That's a must-have.
Yeah, battery charger.
You have to charge, keep your phone charged. Again, you're going to be taking pictures, you're going to be taking video of, you know, the whole day. You don't want your phone to die.
And there's nothing worse than getting somewhere and you need it for an Uber and your phone's out. You know, you
That's
gotta
the
get
worst.
home.
Yeah.
So are you going to ask a stranger to use your
Exactly.
phone?
I hope not.
Please
but it's one of
don't.
the best investments that you can make.
Absolutely, and mine is very well worn. Ear protection. Because even though you may be going there to listen to the music, it could get loud, and you know, that's obnoxious. So we got a bunch of different earplugs. Some of us get a little warm. In the summertime, in the wintertime, all the time. And so a portable fan,
Yes.
two AA batteries, and your cool down. These are clear bags.
I'm glad you got to the bags because I'm looking at everything that you're showcasing. Like, now where am I going to put it?
Put it all in the bag. So depending on the venue that you go to, you may need a clear bag. They may have rules and regulations around the sizing of the bag and whether it needs to be clear. Now these are clear and cute because we're going to do this, but we're going to make it cute.
Yeah, from
Always.
head to toe.
Absolutely. So toss all your stuff in the bag, and then they can see it. And you don't want to have to pay for a locker or have to go back to your car because you don't have the correct bag. So definitely check before you go to see what the needs are.
Yeah, I've been in that predicament. Actually, recently, I shared with you, I went to a concert at Capital One Arena, and I did not have the right bag. I was rushing, so I was with my girlfriends. I'm like, hey, can I put this in your purse, your bag, your bag? I had to divvy it up that way so that I can get inside.
Because they do have lockers.
Yeah, but I don't
But you
want
have to pay for it. It's not complimentary.
No, it should be.
It should be.
But toss everything in your cute little bag, and then you're ready to festival.
I like
I
that.
love it.
You're
And
all
it's so
festivalized.
concise how you put all this together. So for people who are going, oh my gosh, I need more Style Medic in my life.
You do.
How
You
can
do.
they? Like, don't second guess it. You do. Where can they go to follow you?
I am
online?
everywhere, the Style Medic and thestylemedic.com.
All right, healing people each and every day.
And keeping them fly.
Yeah.